A Swagbucks ban usually blocks login completely, and in most cases the only legitimate way back in is a single support appeal because creating a new account can trigger instant reban under the platform's one-account rule. By the end of this you'll know exactly how to file an appeal that support actually reviews, what details matter and what mistakes almost always lead to a permanent decision. First step is going straight to the official Swagbucks Help Center and selecting the option for account access or account issues. The appeal should be submitted using the same email that was tied to the banned account. If you use a different email, support often cannot match the request to your profile. When you write the appeal, keep it short and structured. Start with your registered email, then state that your account was deactivated or banned, and that you're requesting a review. Avoid long emotional explanations, because support teams typically prioritize factual summaries over backstory. Next, include any context that could explain the trigger. Common triggers include VPN or proxy use, logging in from multiple devices or locations in a short time, incomplete or inconsistent profile information, or activity that looks automated. If you recently changed devices, traveled, or completed high-value offers, mention that clearly and in order. If Swagbucks asks for verification, respond only through their official support channel. They may request identity confirmation or proof that the account belongs to you. Send only what is requested and nothing extra, because extra files can slow down the review process or create confusion. One major mistake is opening multiple tickets for the same ban. Each new ticket can reset your place in the queue or merge with older requests, which delays the response. If you already submitted an appeal, wait for a reply instead of sending repeated messages. Another mistake is trying to bypass the ban by creating a new account. Swagbucks systems often detect duplicate activity, and that can lead to permanent enforcement across all related accounts, making recovery even harder. If your appeal is denied, check the response carefully. Some bans are final, especially if they involve repeated policy violations, but other cases may allow clarification or additional documentation. If support gives no further option, the decision is usually permanent. The key points are simple. Use the original email tied to the account. Keep your appeal clear and factual. Avoid creating new accounts or sending multiple tickets. Your next step is to submit a single structured appeal through the Help Center and wait for a response before taking any further action. If this helped you understand the process, like the video, and subscribe for more straightforward fixes for reward and earning platforms.